Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload story on Telegram. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is to open up your Telegram app. Excuse the watermark right there because this is only a free version of screen mirroring. Alright, so once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on continue. Hit on allow if this is the first time you're setting up your Telegram app. Now what you're going to want to do is just tap on this camera icon right here at the bottom right. Tap on that. Right, for example, right here, we're gonna add some photo. Add a caption like screen mirroring. All right, tap on check. Next, if you want to edit, just go ahead and tap on the these icons right here at the bottom right. Tap. You can draw, of course. You can add some text, stickers. Tap and choose the amount of time that you want your story to be live. All right, 24 hours. Just tap on next. Once done, share story to everyone or your contacts, close friends. Select users. Go ahead and edit the list if you want to, but just for this example, I'm going to use everyone. All right, now go ahead and post story. As you can see here, it is now uploading. Just wait for it to finish. As you can see here, the process is done. Just tap your profile right here at the top left and you'll be able to see your Telegram story. All right, and that is it. I hope this video helps someplace. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.